total quality management is a structured approach to overall organizational management. And the focus of this process improvement is focusing on goods and services through continuous process improvement with the engagement
Hanggang
of
mamaya,
frontliners
isesend ko
or
yung manual.
workers. Therefore, total quality management improves quality and productivity in the production and operation with the primarily engagement of workers because they are the frontliners. The frontliners know better than the top management when it comes to process improvement. The process is monitored and improved by frontliners or workers. And this is the reasons that top management and senior managers are motivators for our employees and frontliners, motivating them to continuously improve the processes in the production, considering the concept of just-in-time, zero defect, and quality circle. This is the simple preview of total quality management. Primarily, the focus here is the involvement of human resources in the organization. So, thank you very much and please subscribe to my channel.